Hey y'all, it's Miss Unique Beauty in the building, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I have a wig from you guys from Nicelight Hair Company, and they sent me a 26-inch water wave unit. Inside the bag, you do get a wig cap, a pair of lashes, and of course, the beautiful wig. This wig is a 13x4 26-inch transparent lace front wig. This wig is absolutely gorgeous, and the hairline does come pre-plucked. Look at the curls. These curls are absolutely gorgeous. This is 180% density, so this wig is definitely on the fuller side. Now this wig does come with 4 wig combs and an adjustable strap, and like I mentioned before, this is a transparent lace frontal wig. Now, a lot of you guys may know that I am a part of the lock community, so I do have my own natural locks. So this wig was not able to fit me due to the size, so that's why I go ahead and custom make a lot of my own wigs. But I did go ahead and install this wig on my friend. She is also a natural girl, so what I did was braided her hair going straight back in cornrows. I did the ball cap method on her, and I went ahead and did 3 layers of glue. And as you guys can see, I'm showing you guys a little snippets of the process of me applying the wig to her hair. And when I say this wig was so beautiful, I really wish that it could fit me, but it didn't. The curls were gorgeous, absolutely amazing. This is 26 inches of water wave hair, and as you guys can see, absolutely stunning. And she absolutely loved this wig as well. I will keep you guys posted on the updates of this wig.